Hey, howdy ho. Hey, everybody. Happy Wednesday. How do I know that? Because the garbage cans were popping all over the place this morning. Boom, 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 boom. Sound like an artillery assault. Hope everybody's having a good day. I know these babies have a mind of their own and hope you're having a wonderful one. Let's get right to it this morning. I'm going to be hitting the road tomorrow, but I'm not going to Las Vegas. So where could I be going? Am I going to Reno? No. Am I going to Vegas? No. Am I going to San Diego? No. We love LA. Do, 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 do. We love it. Yes, that's right. I am heading to Los Angeles tomorrow to spend 3 glorious nights down there. I have a little bit of business to take care of, and I decided to combine that with hanging out with some friends down there, and a couple things. I'm going to be hanging out with Kev TV, who came up to the Rancho along with Scotty D. Be hanging out, hopefully doing some food reviews. I'm going to be doing recorded content for this channel. But it's very important, if you enjoy the live streaming, street streaming, then you want to make sure that you are subscribed to the Rosie Murphy channel, the home of live streaming within the Rosie family of channels here. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I will go ahead and put a link in the description box. So it's going to be a laid-back trip. I don't have a lot of things that I want to accomplish. I've already done a lot of cinematic videos in LA. You can check them out. They're on the playlist. Missy, Jen, and I, Grand Central Market, the Angels Flight. We did a lot of things. The Bradbury Building, the City Hall. So, not saying I won't crank one out, but it'll have to be something different. But we'll have, I'll definitely have a good time. Hopefully we'll be able to hit Venice Beach too. That should be a lot of fun too. My style, I fit right in over at Venice Beach, right? See if we can teeny weeny Dorito bikini over there on spend a day over there. I really need some beach time in preparation for going down to San Diego later. So it's going to be a good trip. Reminder, I'm going to be on the road for a solid week. So people say, well, what about movie review night next Monday night? It will still be on no matter where I am. I will definitely take time to fire up a hangout on the Rosie Murphy channel. We're trying to do a classic movie viewing, not live viewing, but checking out a movie and then discussing it the following week. So it should be a lot of fun. Again, you want to see that on the Rosie Murphy channel. So make sure you sub that up. We're going to have a great time. Going to be on the road. So I want you guys to be along. Okay? Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful rest of your Wednesday.